Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a retirement checklist for 2026 with AARP detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up a retirement checklist for 2026 with AARP, start by identifying your retirement goals. Consider the lifestyle you envision for yourself in retirement. Reflect on when you would like to retire and the activities you want to pursue. Review your current financial situation. Calculate your expected income from Social Security, pensions, and investments. Assess your savings and any potential debt that may impact your retirement. Familiarize yourself with AARP resources. Visit the AARP website to access retirement planning tools and guides. Utilize their retirement calculator to estimate your financial needs. Create a detailed budgeting plan for your retirement expenses. Include costs like housing, healthcare, travel, and leisure activities. Estimate your monthly expenses and compare them with your projected income. Consider healthcare, as it's a significant expense for retirees. Research Medicare options and supplemental health insurance plans. Look into long-term care insurance if applicable. Gather necessary documentation to track your progress. Compile statements from retirement accounts, bank accounts, and investment portfolios. Keep your birth certificate, Social Security card, and other important documents handy. Set specific milestones for your retirement preparation. Establish timelines for saving and investing to reach your goals. Review your asset allocation and rebalance your portfolio if necessary. Engage with a financial advisor if needed for expert advice. Attend AARP workshops or webinars for additional insights on retirement planning. Network with others in your age group or participate in discussion forums for shared experiences. Adjust your checklist regularly as your goals or circumstances change. Monitor your progress toward your retirement savings and goals. Lastly, celebrate small achievements along the way to stay motivated. Creating a retirement checklist is an essential step towards a secure future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.